Good morning, everyone. So today's daily question of Leetcode is crawlers log folder. So here's the question. Uh, there are only given three conditions. Suppose it is about the file system. That the Leetcode file system keeps a log each time some users perform a change in the folder. So basically, you are given a vector of string logs where there are various conditions. So our first condition is dot dot slash. It simply tells that you have to move to the parent folder. Right. So basically, if you are here, so you have to move upwards. All right, and if it's dot slash, then you have to remain at the same folder. That if you are on D1, then you will remain on D1. You will do no change. And the third condition is x slash, that is move the child folder named x. So basically, if XLS comes, you have to move from one folder to its child folder. Alright. So these are only the three conditions, and the other condition is if it's D1, D2, or H1, H2, anything, then you simply have to move from that particular folder to this folder. So it can be done with the stacks, but it's too easy. So we can take simple variable also. So suppose I have taken this x variable here, x is equal to 0. So what I will do is, if we have to move from parent folder to the new folder, then from the current folder to the current folder, then I will simply decrement the value of x, that is x minus minus. If we remain on the same folder, then x value will not change, and if x less comes, then we will increase the value of x by simply 1. And if any other value comes like d1 d2, that is we are moving from a parent folder to its child folder, then also we will increase the value of x, right? So there are only three conditions. So coming to the solution, here it is. Like, we are given the vector of a string of logs. So what basically we will do is, we will iterate through this logs vector. So for there we have used this for condition, and I have told the conditions, like if log of I is equal to dot dot slash, then what we have to do, we have to decrement the value of x, and if the x value is 0, then it will remain the same, else we will decrement the value of x. All right. Hence, the second condition, if log of I is equal to dot slash, then we have to do no change. That is, our directory will remain to the same directory. So we will simply continue. Else condition is, if we move to the child folder, right? So we will increment the value of x, that is x plus plus. So here basically, if we take an example of our first question, d1 will come to else, that is we will increment the value of x, that is x becomes 1 here, x becomes 2 here. For dot dot, we will decrement the value of x, that is x becomes 1 here, then x becomes 2, and here no change, so x is equal to 2. So this is it, right? And this is the code. If I run the code, yep, it's running fine. And now I will submit the code. So guys, it is working absolutely fine. So thank you for now. See you in the next